If you are a hustler and you are trying to make money online, you need to watch this video from beginning to the end, because I know that you have watched videos like watch videos to get paid, watch ad to get paid, listen to one song to get paid. You have watched all that kind of videos, so you need to watch this video till the end so that I'm going to confirm to you whether it is real. You are going to be making money by watching videos to get paid, watching ads, doing surveys to get paid, and a lot of things, sending emails to get paid. Everything, I'm going to be covering it in this video. All you need is make sure you stay with me from beginning to the end, because I've also watched all that kind of videos and I've practiced it and I know what is in it. So all what you need to do is you need to give me your time, because if you didn't give me your time, you're going to be watching a lot of videos on it, on maybe get paid to watch ads, get paid to do surveys, like clicking on it, shorten links to get paid, all that kind of things, stuffs. You're going to be watching it and you'll be feeling like you'll be tired and you don't know what to do. You don't know whether it is real that people are making money out of it or they are not making any money out of that. So all what you need is give me your time and we'll all move together. By the way, if you are new to the channel, my name is Elijah, and all I do here is to do videos or make things that can inspire you to also work hard towards your goal. And the main aim of this channel is to help others to also work hard towards their goal. And I'm not also only doing it just to be on my own. I'm doing it so that you can also see that I'm putting the hard work so that we can all work together. So first of all, I'm going to be covering like get paid to watch videos. So if you see a video and they're telling you that you should get paid to watch videos, actually that particular video is a scam. There is nothing like watching videos to get paid. So if you think maybe I'm not telling the truth, there are people out there who are trying it out and they are giving a feedback. Just any video that you see something like that, just if you, and you don't want to try it out, just go to the comment section and you're going to see a lot of bunch of comments about that. See what people are saying about that particular video, and you're good to go about watching videos to get paid. So let me cover another thing like doing surveys to get paid. For surveys, you get paid for doing surveys. But let me tell you something about that. Doing like surveys to get paid, you look at, maybe you can like spend about 30 minutes on a survey, and that survey is going to pay you 0.50 cents. And that 0.50 cents, when you are to convert it back to the data that you have used to do the survey and the time that you have consumed on that particular survey, doing that particular survey, you see that you have wasted a lot of time and it's not going to make you any money. It's not going to, maybe you're not going to use it. You can't use it to maybe solve any of your daily problems. The only thing is just waste of time. So those kind of things is not going to help you. Just leave it aside and find something better to do. Don't be watching videos that they will tell you that you should do survey to get paid. So the next thing that I'll talk about is like watching ad to get paid. For that one, that's the big scam that I can talk about. That's the most biggest scam that I can talk about. So any video that you see and they are saying that you should watch ad to get paid, it doesn't exist. It's impossible. And some people will even tell you that you are going to be paying you $5 per survey, like per ad watch. Imagine if you are like, and that particular ad is just about 1 minute long. Do you know the number of minutes that is in a day? And if you are, let's say you just put your phone down and you are clicking on each and every survey to watch, do you know the amount that you are going to be erasing at the end of the day? Those people are going to be running into bankrupt. So it doesn't exist. It's impossible to do that. It doesn't exist. So another one is sending emails to people and you get paid for that. It's also impossible. That's a big scam. Nothing like that happens. Like okay, that one, you are just wasting your time and energy, and you don't know what to do with your time. That's what I can tell you. If you are the type who is doing that kind of thing, watching that kind of videos, I'm not having problem with you. But trying to do it, that's just waste of time, because if you even see how the person will explain the thing and the final outcome, the person is not going to show you the money that they have made out of that. The only thing is they will just lie to you and they are good to go. So it doesn't exist that way. And the next thing is, like some will say, you still listen to song, like one song to get paid $2 or $5. Imagine in a day and you are just listening to song. How many songs would you listen in a day? And listen to all that songs. Let's say you are able to listen out to 20 or 50 songs in a day. Multiply 50 songs by 5. How many dollars will you get? And where are those people making that money? Where are they getting that money to be paying you to do that? Just think about it. It doesn't exist. So make sure you get something better to do. So I think I've covered a lot, and maybe if you want to know more about making money online, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on post notification bell, because my next videos is going to be maybe how to make a legit money online, because there is a lot of legit ways to make money online, and that one you're not going to be wasting your time and those kind of stuff that they are just lying to you. So that kind of things is a legit things that is going to help you to make money online. So you need to subscribe to the channel to stay, and turn on post notification bell to stay updated all the time, so that anytime that I upload a video, you'll be the first person to get notified and come to the channel and check it out. So thank you for watching, and if this video helped you a lot, make sure you smash the like button and smash the subscribe button as I told you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out for now. Bye bye.